Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about letter P, type complete P. So as the name suggests here, the loop is complete. It's not incomplete like here, nor it's way on the rightward or leftward direction. Instead, it's balanced. It's fully complete. So any writer who write P like this fall under this category. Now many people write P like here, and you will often find this type of P in font as well. So what does it help us know? Well, this particular P, as we know that P is all about physical health, how much fast you react. Well, these are the writers who react quickly to particular situations. So let's say for example, there is a writer who is standing beside you and suddenly you challenge him to just do some push-ups or dips. So he will suddenly start doing push-ups and dips and his body will support that. He will suddenly go around 10, 20, however his limit is, and he will start doing that and his body will support it, right? Why? Because his internal body health is good. So whenever doing a push-up, his chest will support him, biceps, triceps, different organs will support him, and he will be able to react faster. Same is for running, same is for other activities. So this particular P help us know that these are the active individuals who have good internal health. Another aspect of P is that here too the size of loop matters. So if someone is having small size, let's say like here the loop is small. So these are the writers who are active yet they are not that fully active. So they have less energy as compared to these writers, the balanced one. And there are also another type of writers who have very big loop. These are the writers who have a lot of energy, yet it get wasted lot of time because they don't have that much actions or things to do to get that energy out. So it's better to always have balanced loop because life is balanced, right? Life must be balanced. It's not be too good. It must not be too negative, right? It must be balanced. So this particular P is one of the ideal letter to write as these are the individuals who are healthy internally, they are active individuals and are also someone who have good energy levels. So that's all for this particular video. I believe you learned something new about letter P, this P, and now you will be able to explain it to others. If someone write like this, then do let them know that this type of people they are. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning and let's keep growing.